What's up, everybody? Today we're going to talk about photographing fireworks. Now, it is 4th of July. I know some of you guys might be like, man, I want to take some good pictures of these fireworks, but how do I do it? Well, let's head back to the house so we can get into some a little less windy, some that's a little more warm, and we'll tell you guys how to get some good shots of your fireworks, the proper settings and everything else. Catch you guys in a minute. Alright, so there's a couple things you're going to want right off the bat. Number one, your camera. Alright, number two, a tripod. You're going to want that tripod because you're going to want to get those steady shots that aren't shaking around. Number three, I've got a remote here. It's a shutter release button, but it is wireless, so I'm able to just point it at my camera and take a picture, whether I'm at the front or in the back. You're going to want to take your camera, put it in manual mode. That's going to be the best way to capture these shots. You're going to take your ISO, set it down to 100, 200, as low as your ISO will go. That's where you're going to want it at. Now you're going to turn your f-stops to f11. This is going to get it to where you have those in focus and everything around it in focus, so you're not having shots of fireworks that are out of focus. It just makes it look better. It's at night anyways, so all you want to capture is those fireworks. Alright, the next one is your shutter speed. You're going to want to set that to bulb. Now normally you have a shutter speed that can be like 1/60th of a second, or you can have 1 second, you can have 20 seconds, but we're going to put it on bulb, which is the B on most cameras. And when we get it set to that, what that does is when you click the shutter button, it's going to open that up so that it starts catching some light, and then when you're ready to release it, you're going to hit it again and it closes. So with that in mind, what you do is when you see them go, the fireworks, when you see them go, click that button right away. You're going to see the stream in your picture come up, and you're going to see it go. When it starts getting to that point, then you're going to want to click that button again, and it's going to grab all the light from just the fireworks and keep everything around it dark. Now, there's also other ways of doing this. You can mess with it, and once it starts exploding, hit that shutter button a second time to get it to stop. But always remember, you start clicking that button as soon as you hear it taking off, because then you've got enough light coming in by the time it explodes, and then you hit it again so it closes it, and you've got your shot. Anyways, it's time for me to get ready to go because I've got my own family to hang out with down there at the lake and watch the fireworks and catch them on camera myself. Anyways, we'll catch you guys next time on Tutorial Tuesday. Peace.